Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Sign up for a Binance account using a valid email and choose a password at least 8 characters long. Then complete identity verification to unlock NFT functions. Next, enable two-factor authentication. Binance uses a 6-digit 2FA code that refreshes every 30 seconds and is required for withdrawals and account changes. Finally, fund your account by depositing supported tokens, such as BNB or BUST, from an external wallet, or buy crypto on-ramp inside Binance, so you can buy, mint, or list NFTs immediately. To acquire an NFT, browse the Binance NFT marketplace by collection, rarity, or price and use filters to narrow choices. Then either purchase instantly at the listed price or place a timed bid if the seller accepts offers. During checkout, confirm the listed price and payment token, typically BNB or BUST, review the NFT metadata and seller history, then approve the transaction. After purchase, manage your NFTs in the Wallet tab. View metadata. Transfer the token to an external wallet address, or list it for sale with your chosen price and duration. To create an NFT, open the Binance minting portal, upload your art or media file, set a descriptive title and concise description, choose a collection, and set a royalty percentage you will receive on secondary sales. When listing, choose a fixed price or auction, specify the currency and sale duration, and include high-quality images or previews so buyers can evaluate instantly. Finally, promote your listing on social channels. Provide provenance and clear contract details, and monitor offers so you can accept offers, adjust price, or relist to match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.